there, HVAC business owners. Let me ask you something. Are you trying to stand out in a competitive market, get more sales, and keep your customers happy? Of course you are. That's what every successful business aims for. But here's the thing, it's 2025. And there's one tool that can help you do all that better and faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Now don't worry, this isn't just for big tech companies or complicated IT setups. AI is now more accessible, affordable, and useful than ever, and it can completely transform your HVAC business. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons why you need to start using AI in your HVAC business this year. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, let's jump right in. Reason number 1. Be available for your customers 24/7, 365. Let's be honest, customers today expect instant communication. They want to reach out, get answers, book appointments anytime. That includes nights, weekends, and even holidays. But as a business owner, you can't be glued to your phone or computer 24/7, right? This is where AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants come in. They allow your business to engage with both existing and new customers around the clock, even when you or your team are unavailable. Let's say someone visits your website at 10 p.m. on a Sunday. AI can step in immediately, answer their questions, help them schedule a service, or even follow up later if needed. Even if your call center is slammed or you're out of the office, AI ensures no opportunity slips through the cracks. Bottom line, you'll never miss a lead and your business stays open for customers all day, every day. Reason number 2, follow up automatically with every estimate you leave behind. Here's a common scenario. You go to a customer's home, give them an estimate, and then nothing. No response, no callback. The lead just goes cold. Now imagine if, after every estimate, the customer received a friendly, personalized message from your business, thanking them for their time, reminding them of your offer, and making it easy to schedule the service. With AI, that's completely possible and completely automated. Instead of relying on your team to follow up, which we all know can be hit or miss, AI takes care of it. It sends reminders, answers follow-up questions, and even books appointments directly to your calendar. This means more conversions, fewer missed sales, and a smoother experience for both your team and your customers. Reason number 3. Automatically remind your maintenance plan. Customers, your maintenance plan customers are the heartbeat of your HVAC business. They're your repeat customers. They trust you. They rely on you to keep their systems running smoothly. But let's face it, remembering to remind them when it's time for service can be a huge task. It eats up your team's time and creates room for human error. AI can fix that too. You can automate all your service reminders so customers get notified when it's time for their seasonal checkup or annual maintenance without anyone on your team having to do a thing. This helps you deliver a consistently great experience, reduce no-shows, and make sure you're always on your customers' minds, all while giving your staff more time to focus on other tasks. Reason number 4. Stay in touch with customers. Year-round, with tips and advice, let's talk about engagement. Most businesses only reach out when there's a problem or an appointment to book. But what if you stayed connected all year long? AI makes it easy to send out seasonal maintenance tips, energy-saving advice, special offers, and helpful content all on autopilot. You can set up regular emails or text messages that feel personal and relevant, keeping your business top of mind, even when customers don't need immediate service. These little touch points go a long way in building trust and loyalty. It's simple, helpful communication powered by AI, and it shows your customers that you care about them beyond the sale. Reason number 5. Automate your referral program to get more word-of-mouth business. Referrals are one of the most powerful ways to grow your business. Happy customers love to recommend you, but only if you make it easy for them. With AI, you can create a hands-free referral program. Here's how it works. After a service is complete, AI can send a quick text or email asking your customer to refer a friend. It can even include a special incentive like a discount or gift card to make the offer more appealing. The best part? You don't have to lift a finger. The system takes care of everything, asking for referrals, tracking them, and sending out thank yous or rewards. This means more business, more word-of-mouth growth, and a better relationship with your loyal customers, all with zero extra work on your end. Bonus tip: use AI to find customers who are searching for HVAC services right now. Here's where AI really flexes its muscles. With tools like behavior tracking and predictive analytics, AI can help you identify people who are actively looking for HVAC services in real time. Let's say someone's been Googling AC repair near me or reading about furnace issues. AI can track that behavior and show you exactly who's in the market, so you can target them with ads, emails, or special offers before your competitors even know they exist. You can also use identity resolution to tie this online activity to real people, giving you the ability to reach the right person with the right message at the perfect time. This kind of precision marketing used to be impossible for small businesses. Now, with AI, it's totally within your reach. Final recap: let's quickly go over the 6 powerful ways AI can help your HVAC business thrive. In 2025 24/7 customer engagement, never miss a lead again. Automated follow-ups. Convert more estimates into sales. Maintenance reminders. Keep your schedule full without extra work. Seasonal engagement. Stay connected with customers all year. Referral automation. Get more word-of-mouth business effortlessly. Predictive marketing. Find and win over customers before your competition does. This isn't just about being more efficient. It's about growing faster, serving better, and staying one step ahead in a fast-changing industry. If you're serious about growing your HVAC business in 2025 and beyond, then it's time to start using AI the smart way. Visit rudatech.com and see how we can help you implement these strategies. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos packed with insights on how to grow your HVAC business in the digital age. Thanks for watching. Now go take that next step towards smarter growth with AI.